Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will look into GK top 20 most important MCQ. This is the part 1 of the video and these MCQs are important for all the government exams. Let's start the video. Question number 1. The book title Indian War of Independence 1857 was written by. The correct option will be option number C, that is V.D. Savarkar. So it was written by V.D. Savarkar, that is Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, and the it mentioned the uprising of 1857 against the Britishers, against the British Empire. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 2. Red Data book gives information about species which are. The correct option will be option number A, that is endangered. So Red Data book is a book which is published by IUCN, and in this book it covers those species which are endangered. So the correct option will be option A, that is endangered. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 3. The world's only floating national park is located in. The correct option will be option number A, that is it is located in Manipur. So in Manipur the world's only floating national park is located, and the name of that national park is Keval Lamjo National Park, which is in Bishnupur district of Manipur. So the correct option will be option number A, that is Manipur. So A is the correct answer. Now let's move to question number 4. Which of the following tribal or folk dance is associated with Uttar Pradesh? So the correct option will be option number B, that is Thoda. So it is a folk dance which is associated with Uttar Pradesh. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 5. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Siachen? So the first Indian Prime Minister who visited Siachen is, the correct option is option B, that is Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. So he visited Siachen. So B is the correct option, and is the first Prime Minister who visited Siachen. Also, as far as Siachen is concerned, it's the world's highest battlefield. So please remember these facts. Now let's move to question number 6. The study of lakes is called. The correct option is option number B, that is limnology. So it is known as limnology. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 7. The headquarters of International Atomic Energy Agency is in. So the IAEA, it's the short form. The headquarters located is, the correct option is option D, that is it is located in Vienna, which is in Austria. So Austria is a European country. So it is located in Vienna, which is in Austria. So D is the correct option. Also, as far as the agency is concerned, this agency was established in the year 1957, and India was also the founding member of this agency. Also, it promotes peaceful use of nuclear energy. So this is the main function of IAEA. So it promotes peaceful use of nuclear energy, and it is located in Vienna, Austria. Now let's move to question number 8. Which of the following criteria is not used for the classification of human race? So the criteria which is not used for the classification of human race is, the correct option is option number C, that is year. So year is not considered while classifying the human race. This is because ear is made up of cartilage. Most of you know this fact, and it is the design of the ear is based upon the genetics, so that's why it is not considered. Apart from this, nose, hair, eyes, everything is considered while in the classification of human race, but ear is not considered. So C is the correct option, because in the question it is asking that which of the following criteria is not used for the classification of human race. The correct option is option C, that is ear. Now let's move to question number 9. Which bank was the first to introduce ATMs in the world? The correct option will be option number B, that is Hong Kong and Shanghai Bank, which is also known as HSBC Bank. So it was the first bank to introduce ATMs in the world, and the it was introduced in the year 1987. So please remember this fact. Now let's move to question number 10. What is the name of the currency of Ukraine? So the name of the currency of Ukraine is, the correct option is option C, that is Ukrainian hryvnia. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 11. The most literate union territory in India is, the correct option will be option number C, that is Lakshadweep. So as per the 11 population survey, so Lakshadweep has the highest literacy rate among the union territories in India. So the correct option will be option C, that is Lakshadweep, and the literacy rate is 92.8%. It is the literacy rate, and in the states, Kerala is the highest literacy rate state. So among the state it is Kerala, and among union territories it is Lakshadweep. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to the other questions. Question number 12. The Central Drug Research Institute is located at, so it is located at, the correct option is option A, that is it is located in Lucknow. So in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh it is located. A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 13. Who wrote the book Why Socialism? So the book which is Why Socialism is written by, the correct option is option B, that is Jayaprakash Narayan. He is also famously known as JP. So Jayaprakash Narayan is the author of Why Socialism. He was a freedom fighter who believed in the Gandhian philosophy. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 14. The term of a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council is for, the correct option is option number C, that is 2 years. So in UNSC, that is United Nations Security Council, which is the main body of United Nations, there are total 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. So these 10 non-permanent members are elected for the term of 2 years. So the correct option is option C, that is 2 years. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 15. The first non-Englishman elected as a chairman of International Cricket Council was, so the correct option is option number D, that is Clyde Walcott. So D is the correct option. Sir Clyde Walcott was the famous cricketer, and he was from West Indies, and he was selected as the chairman of International Cricket Council in the year 1993. So D is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 16. Bullseye term is used in which game? So bullseye term is used in, the correct option is option C, that is it is used in shooting. So in shooting, when you hit at the middle, it is known as bullseye. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 17. First Nobel Prize to India was given for, the correct option is option number D, that it was given for literature, and it was given to our great freedom fighter Ravindranath Tagore ji. So it was given to Ravindranath Tagore in the year 1913 for his book Gitanjali. So it was given in literature. It was India's first Nobel Prize. So D is the correct option. So the correct option is option D, literature. Now let's move to question number 18. Who was the first recipient of the Bharat Ratna Award posthumously? So posthumously, the first recipient of Bharat Ratna Award was given to, correct option is option A, that is Lal Bahadur Shastri. So Lal Bahadur Shastri was given the Bharat Ratna, which was, it was posthumously, that is after his death. So A is the correct option. And he was the second Prime Minister of India, and during his reign only he has given the slogan, that is Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. So A is the correct option. So he was given Bharat Ratna in the year 1966. Do remember these facts. Now let's move to question number 19. Pablo Picasso, the famous painter, was, so Pablo Picasso was from, the correct option is option C, that it was from Spain. So he was a citizen, so he was a Spanish citizen. So he was from Spain. Correct option is option C, that is Spanish. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to the last question, question number 20. Which of the following is a constituent of tear gas? So among these, the tear gas, the chemical which is used in tear gas is, the correct option is option D, that is chloropicrin. So chloropicrin is used in the making of tear gas. So D is the correct option. So this was the part 1 of the video of GK. So further parts will also be uploaded. Do subscribe our channel and please press the like button. Thank you.